Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to change your refresh rate to 60 Hz in Windows 11, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can change the refresh rate to 60 Hz in your Windows 11 very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to just right click on your mouse and here you can click on display setting. And after that, just scroll down. And here in the advanced display, you can see display information and refresh rate. So just click on it. And here choose a refresh rate. So from here you can choose a refresh rate whether you want to choose 60 Hz or 30 Hz or 90 Hz. So in my case, I have only this option of 60 Hz. So guys, in this way you can change refresh rate to 60 Hz in your Windows 11 very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.